In order to import images, you need to go to menu File, Place, select the file you want to import, and this time you need to click and drag in order to create the image frame in which the image will be inserted. I see in my PDF already done that some characters, some file text are too big. So I want to change the dimension of my title. In this case, I'm going to edit it and then I'm going to redefine the style of the title in order to make sure that the same effect is being taken also in the page number 1. So then I'm changing the uh, position of the text. I'm making the image smaller and bigger, holding down Command and Shift while I'm dragging from the corner. The shortcut to place is Command and D. So then again, Command D again in order to import the image number 3. Here we go. Now I have another little box of text I want to apply in between the images, and here I see that I still have the indents that I don't want to have anymore. So let's make me edit this text. Let me remove the indent, and then after this I will create a new paragraph style based on the body text, but with a new name. So I'm selecting everything, new paragraph style, body text, no indent, based on body text. So whatever change I'm going to do to the body text, also the change will affect the body text, no indent, except the indent itself. Okay, now I am interested to preview how the image look like. There is too much white in the lower part and the two images are not aligned. So let's click on the align button. And then I want to drag a little more down, again align down, and then center better the text. You can see the two green arrow that tells me that the text is evenly placed between the two images.